Okay, interval studies, page 24. So I'm going to go ahead and play the first two lines, the A part. And the key signature only has one sharp, F sharp. So just remember to play C natural. Close second finger on the A string. I'm going to count off and you can play with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now go ahead and see if you can write in the intervals and the blanks for those first two lines. And remember, you're counting the first note in the interval, you're counting all the notes in between and the second note. So we're just determining how far apart in pitch each note is. So pause it, give it a try, and then we'll go over the answers. Okay, so the first one, in the first measure between D and E, we count D and E. It's a second. And then the next interval between D and B, we've got to count D. Then we're going to go up B, E, F sharp, G, A, and B. So that's 6. That's a sixth. Now the next interval starts on a higher note, goes to a lower note, but it's still going to be the same interval. So A going down to G, going down to F sharp, going down to E. So it's a fourth. Next measure is the same as the first, a second, and then a sixth. Fourth measure is between the intervals between the first two notes. The B going down to an A, going down to a G, so that's B, A, G, it's a third. Next line, E, F sharp, G, A, that's a fourth. Next measure, we're counting the interval between G and B, so that's G, A, B, it's a third. Then between our fourth finger E and the D, just one note down, so that's a second. And then between A and C natural, A, B, C natural is a third. And because there's a half step in there, we actually call that a minor third, if you want to know that. But for now, it's okay just to know that it's a third. There's that. Now go ahead and play part B and see if you can fill in those intervals on your own. Have fun.